Everyone, I'm here at the Philadelphia airport with Mom and my brother Kyle. We are going to Disneyland and have a great time together. Everyone, we've been walking around in this middle place of the Philadelphia airport. It's called the Philadelphia Marketplace. It's where we get to buy all kinds of stuff. Clothing, luggage, toys, food, egg, etc. Everyone, have you ever seen one of those screens at Philadelphia? I'll show you. The flight to Los Angeles is 3276. The time is 1:55 p.m. and the gate is B7. Also, that's all there is to say. Did you know that we go through security there? We put our personal belongings, but there is one thing that we're not allowed to put into security. I think it's weapons. Why can't we put weapons? Because even if one of us did, it would cause trouble and so forth. And we wouldn't do that. That's because it's private. Everyone, we're here at one of the Philadelphia's Smash Burger restaurant. I got this smash burger, this Sprite, and these fries. Well, everyone, we finally made it here on the Philadelphia airplane, and we're getting ready to take off to Disneyland in Los Angeles. Everyone, I'm on the Philadelphia airplane to Disneyland, California. That's it. Well, everyone, we finally made it here at Los Angeles, at California. We're going to have a great time here in Disneyland. Me, Mom, and my brother Kyle. And everyone, we've been walking through the airport here in Los Angeles, California. And you know, I've never filmed videos here at nighttime before. Everyone, we're now here in the limousine of LA, California. LA stands for Los Angeles. And we are going to the Disneyland Hotel.